Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Gmail app on your Mac computer. So the only thing which you will require for this installation is the Chrome app. So if you don't have the Google Chrome app installed, just install the Google Chrome on your Mac operating system. It's really easy. If you don't know how to install Google Chrome, I have already created a video on that topic. Once you have Google Chrome, you just need to open the Google Chrome browser on your Mac operating system and then open the Gmail website. So you can see the Gmail website is open on my Chrome browser. Once Gmail website is open on the Chrome browser, you need to click on these three dots on the right hand side and then select this option which says save and share, and then select this option which says create shortcut. So I'm going to click on create shortcut now, and because we were on the Gmail website and it's opened, and from here we have selected this option, you will see the option to create the Gmail shortcut. So just leave this Gmail title as it is and then check this checkbox which says open as window and then click on create. What this is going to do is it's going to create the Gmail shortcut on your Mac operating system, and basically what it's going to do is you can see that Gmail is no longer opened on the Google Chrome browser tab. I can even close this Chrome browser. So let me just fully close this Google Chrome browser. And then what I can do is I can go to the Launchpad, and here I can search for Gmail, and you will be able to see this Gmail app logo in the Launchpad apps. So click on Gmail and it's going to launch Gmail on this separate Gmail app, right? So you can use Gmail, and then once you are done, you can close Gmail. You can even just right click on this Gmail logo on the dock, and then you can just click on keep in dock, and from the next time once you close the Gmail app, you can open the Gmail from your dock itself. So when I click on the Gmail app logo here, my Gmail app opens. Now let's say for some reason you want to remove this Gmail app. The uninstallation process is also easy. Just close the Gmail app and then just click on this spotlight search and then search for Chrome apps folder. Okay, and the first result you will see here is for the Chrome apps folder. So just click on it, and here you will see the Gmail app. So just right click on this Gmail app and then click on move to bin, which is going to move this app to the bin. And in few seconds you will also see that this Gmail logo is gone from your dock. Also in the launchpad you will not find the Gmail app anymore. You can search for Gmail and it's not there. So this is how you can uninstall this app also. So this is how you can install Gmail app on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.